Hi, today in front of me DOOGEE X97 Pro, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. Let's first open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here we'll see ringtone notification volume. Just to mute ringtone, we should slide to the left side this white dot on ring volume panel. Also, we could make it with the help of the volume buttons, but first be sure that here in default volume button control you got selected the ringtone volume, and now with the press to the double down down volume button, we could also mute the ringtone volume, and also we can make it with the help of our finger. We could slide to the down this volume panel. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.